Finding a German-style Oompa band in northern Maine was one of many unexpected surprises I encountered on my fall return to the Moosehead region. But find one I did at Turning Page Farm and Brewery in the town of Monson. For owners Joy and Tim Bueschen, fall is a time for celebration and inviting guests to partake in their annual Oktoberfest ritual, and I was happy to join in.
Turning Page Farm, first of all, was named by my wife and I wanting to turn a page on a new chapter of our lives. So we both quit our corporate jobs that we worked for years and years and years, more than we care to share. And we wanted a different lifestyle. We wanted something a little quieter, a little where the decisions we made were right in front of us and we could see the ramifications, good and bad. And farming just hit that. We love good food, we love good drink, and we thought, let's do something like this. So we originally started with a goat farm. That was our first focus, was a creamery, a dairy, making goat cheese and a little bit of soap as well. And then the brewery came out of just wanting to add another enterprise to the farm. With the new tasting room out here, we're going to be open all year long. So every Saturday and Sunday, no matter how much snow is thrown at us, we're going to stay open. We love the outdoors. We love nature, we love the seasons. So we love having snow, we surprisingly, we do love the cold. And to top that all off, the people up here are just amazing. We've absolutely loved all of the people that we've worked with in the community. The local business association in this tiny little town is surprisingly strong and active. So these are Guernsey goats. It's a fairly rare breed for the States. We didn't discover them. We found out about them when we were living in Europe, where they're a lot more common. And then we moved here and wanted Guernseys, and we realized, oh, nobody has Guernseys. There's a lot of interest in this breed, and it's building every day. They're a mid-sized breed. As you can see, they're really friendly.
Yeah.
There's no aggression in this herd at all. They're more curious. And they have really good milk production for their size.
The Bueschen story about trading a busy urban lifestyle and corporate job for more peaceful and meaningful existence in the Maine countryside is remarkably common in the Moosehead region. But you only need to spend a little time in this beautiful part of New England to understand why.